Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate drink at home. Begin by warming milk gently over medium heat so it does not boil. Whisk in cocoa powder and sugar until smooth and fully dissolved. Taste and adjust sweetness, then stir in vanilla or a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate flavor. Serve hot or chilled over ice with whipped cream or a sprinkle of cocoa. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and warm milk slowly to avoid scalding. Mix cocoa and sugar with a few tablespoons of warm milk to make a smooth paste before adding to the pan. Continue whisking as you pour in the remaining milk to prevent lumps. Heat until steaming, not boiling, then remove from heat and stir in vanilla or cinnamon for a rounded flavor profile before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing your homemade chocolate mix and chilled drinks tidy and mess-free, perfect for on-the-go sips. I use them to portion dry mix and carry cold chocolate in my bag without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Whisking technique is key to silky chocolate drink, so whisk continuously as cocoa hits the milk. If using a frother, froth briefly to add lightness but avoid overheating. For iced versions, make a concentrated mix to pour over ice to prevent dilution. For richer results, simmer briefly with a cinnamon stick or orange peel, then strain. Taste and adjust sweetness or add a splash of cream for indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.